Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how to download LDPlayer on PC. If you wish to download LDPlayer on your PC, then you just have to follow the steps. Here's what you need. Open up your browser, and on the web address bar, you want to type in LDPlayer download. And once you type in that, you will find a list of links available. You would go with the first one, that is www.ldplayer.net. This is going to directly take you to their official page. What next you want to do is here, click on this link. You could see download LDPlayer. You could go and click that out. You could see the exe file is being downloaded. Once it is completely downloaded, you want to open up the file location. So you could go with here, or you could just go to the file explorer and then pick up the download section or the downloaded folder. I'm just gonna quickly go it from here. Simply want to go ahead and double click on the exe file, and then you want to go ahead and run the installation. Follow on the on-screen prompt, and with that being said, you'll have successfully downloaded or installed LDPlayer on your PC. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.